Hello, Bon. Gulat ka, no? Happy birthday. Maraming salamat kahit nandito ako sa Manila. Nakakapag-present ako para sa special na araw mo. Happy birthday. Kahit di ako marunong kumanta, kanta ka para sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo. You're the one who never let me sleep. To my mind and to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. You're here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. Feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. Feel the chill inside. Every time I hear the music play, reminds me of the things we've been through. In my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you.